Guys, welcome to another paint video. Today we're going to paint Pink Paradise. Check it out, guys. So what I'm going to do here is just wet the canvas down a little bit. And I'm going to spray some Wagner fluid. Wagner Paint Easy in a bottle. Brush it real lightly all over. I'm going to pour some paint right on the brush. Oh, look at that, guys. Now this canvas was all kind of messed up, so I'm going to use it because I don't like wasting supplies. It had a few paint splatters on it from the last painting I did, and so I figured, man, let's do something with this bad boy. Or bad girl. Do something with this bad girl. Because it's pink, so we're going to make it a bad girl. I don't know, some guys like pink. I like pink. Lots of people like pink. Anyways, think pink. We're gonna try to do this. Gotta make it dark enough so we can get the alcohol drops right after. Oh yes, that's what we're talking about, babies. And I got this black paint left over. Don't like to waste anything. Plastic from a leftover canvas. Just tear a piece of that up. We need that. Let's take this off. Yeah, we should have just used that too, but that's okay. We probably will use that too. Let's just do this for now. Okay, here we go. Crazy. I'm crazy. Look at that. That's what I'm doing, guys. I want all that wrinkle in there. We're gonna get a little glitter going. Look at that, guys. Look at that glitter. Spread some more. Dirty black drips. Oh my God, there you guys go. Isn't that cool as heck? Look at that. It's got all glitter in it. Look at this, guys. Pink Paradise, babies. Peace out, Foltz Arts. It's just that easy. You just gotta do it. Do it.